Hello students, today we will talk about transformer on no load. When we say that transformer is on no load, this means that the secondary is open circuited or the load is not connected to the secondary, or we can say that full load secondary current I2 is 0. Also, we must know this, that it is the secondary current which causes the primary current to flow. You must remember one fundamentals, that current is always drawn from the load side. If current is drawn on the load side, that is secondary I2 is there, then this causes the primary current to flow. So I2 is 0 and I1 is also 0. So the only current drawn from the power side, that is input side, will be I0. This is no load current flowing in the primary, which is because of the primary only. The purpose of this I0 is to serve two components. First component is known as working component and the other component is known as magnetizing component. First we will talk about the working component IW. The working component serves to provide a small copper loss because of the small current, and this working component also provides for the iron losses happening in this core, that is eddy current and hysteresis losses. Now let us talk about the second component. Second component is magnetizing component. The magnetizing component is to magnetize the core, or we can say magnetizing component produces the flux in the core. So I0 is two vector sum of two components, I working and I magnetizing. So if we see vector diagram also, we can see that I0, that is no load primary current, is resolved into two components. First component is IW or I working. This is in phase with the applied voltage. This IW serves to provide iron loss, that is hysteresis, and eddy current loss in the core, plus a small copper loss in the primary winding. And the other component is I magnetizing component, and it is to produce the flux. The value of this IW will be I0 cos phi, and value of IM will be I0 sin phi. We can also calculate the no load power factor by using trigonometric formulas, and this cos phi naught will be equal to IW divided by IO, and by this we can find out the value of the angle also, that by what angle this no load primary current is lagging from the applied voltage. What is the power consumed when the transformer is on no load? Definitely it will be equal to VI, the applied voltage, into I0, the current which is drawing, and the cos phi naught, the power factor at no load. So I can put it that the power consumed at no load will be equal to V1 I0 cos phi naught. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep growing.